How to access service menu on SCEPTRE LED TV and perform factory reset. The service menu is a handy aid that lets you access various troubleshooting options and extended TV settings for your device. The service menu provides access to the following settings, like factory reset or hard reset, digital tuner, enable and disable hotel mode and other features, Wi-Fi region, BT support and screen test etc. These allow you to make major changes to the default values set in your SCEPTRE LED TV. Use the service menu with extreme caution, and be thoroughly familiar with it. Our channel will not be responsible for any kind of error.
SCEPTRE TV Service Menu codes. First code is menu 7343. Second code is source 7343. Third code is input 7343. Fourth code is display, then press 7343. Service menu show on your TV screen. SCEPTRE TV factory reset default. First of all, open service menu, then highlight shipping or reset or factory reset mode and press right arrow button on your mode control. Your TV will be turned off and turn on after a little moment. Your TV will be reset factory default. All problem fixed. For any question and query, please visit our website.